In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a WordPress logout link to the navigation menu. If you run a WordPress membership site, then having a logout link in the navigation menu is helpful for the users. It's a very simple process. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance. Then, click on Menu. Now expand the Custom Links menu item. Let's add the link text as Logout. Now for the URL. You need to add a custom URL. This is the custom URL. I'll link it in the description below. All you have to do is add your website's URL in the URL like this. And then copy the whole URL and paste it in the custom link section. Then click on Add to Menu. Now click on Save Changes. Now let's head over to the website and reload the page so the changes are updated. And as you can see, the logout link is now created. This is how you can add a WordPress logout link to the navigation menu. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.